Hey everyone, welcome back to VegaHealth. If you want to unlock the secrets to better health and finally crush your health goals, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into intermittent fasting, a powerful tool gaining a lot of buzz for its potential health benefits. We'll explore how it works, its various methods, and how it could be your key to a healthier, happier you. So, let's get started. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It's a lifestyle choice that can seamlessly fit into your daily routine. It's a cycle between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. This means you have designated times for meals and times when you refrain from eating. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. The focus shifts from counting calories to understanding the timing of your meals. This ancient practice is gaining popularity for its transformative health benefits. Historically, many cultures have practiced fasting for spiritual and health reasons. Imagine a world where you could achieve your health goals without restrictive diets. Intermittent fasting allows you to enjoy your favorite foods within a structured time frame. Intermittent fasting offers a sustainable and flexible approach to weight loss and overall well-being. It can be tailored to fit your lifestyle, whether you prefer shorter fasting periods or longer ones. Unlike calorie restriction, which often leads to deprivation and yo-yo dieting, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, not how much you eat. Intermittent fasting allows you to eat normally within specific time windows. This means you can still enjoy your meals without feeling deprived. Many people find intermittent fasting easier to stick to than traditional diets. It provides a sense of freedom and control over your eating habits. Additionally, intermittent fasting can improve mental clarity and focus. By giving your digestive system a break, your body can redirect energy to other vital functions. It's important to remember that intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's essential to find a fasting schedule that works best for you and your lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new eating pattern, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Embrace the journey of intermittent fasting and discover a new way to achieve your health and wellness goals. Fasting is not a new concept. Our ancestors practiced fasting out of necessity, not choice. They hunted for food and endured periods of scarcity. Their bodies adapted to thrive during these fasting periods. Modern society has shifted towards constant snacking and 3 meals a day. This constant influx of food keeps our insulin levels elevated, preventing our bodies from tapping into stored fat for energy. Intermittent fasting helps reset this balance, allowing our bodies to utilize fat stores more effectively. There are various methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own unique approach. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It offers a range of options to fit different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, there's likely a fasting method that can work for you. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and consuming all your meals within an 8-hour window. This method is popular because it aligns well with most people's daily routines. For example, you might eat your first meal at noon and your last meal by 8 p.m., allowing you to enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner within that time frame. The 5-2 method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. This approach can be more flexible, allowing you to choose which days to reduce your calorie intake based on your schedule. On fasting days, you might have a small salad for lunch and a light dinner, making it easier to manage your calorie intake. The key is to find a method that suits your lifestyle and preferences. It's important to consider your daily routine, work schedule, and social commitments when choosing a fasting method. Some people may prefer a more structured approach, while others might enjoy the flexibility of intermittent fasting. Some people find it easier to fast for longer periods, while others prefer shorter fasting windows. It's all about listening to your body and finding what works best for you. For instance, some individuals might thrive on a 24-hour fast once a week, while others might find a 12-hour fasting window more manageable. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its flexibility and adaptability. You can experiment with different methods and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. The goal is to create a sustainable routine that supports your health and well-being. Remember, intermittent fasting is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, take your time, explore your options, and find your unique fasting rhythm. Weight loss is often the primary motivation for people to try intermittent fasting. By reducing the overall time spent eating, intermittent fasting naturally leads to a calorie deficit. However, the benefits extend far beyond shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting helps regulate hormones that control hunger and satiety, making it easier to manage cravings and stick to a healthy eating plan. It also boosts metabolism by increasing the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that promotes fat burning. Beyond weight loss, a health revolution. Intermittent fasting is not just a weight loss tool, it's a powerful health intervention that can improve various aspects of your well-being. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been linked to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. It helps cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing glucose to enter cells more efficiently and preventing blood sugar spikes. Intermittent fasting and insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a major driver of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. When we constantly consume food, our bodies are flooded with insulin, leading to insulin resistance over time. Intermittent fasting gives our bodies a break from insulin, allowing our cells to become more sensitive to its effects. This improved insulin sensitivity helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and protect against chronic diseases. Cellular repair, autophagy, and beyond. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy, which is essentially our body's way of cleaning house and maintaining health. During autophagy, cells break down and recycle damaged components, removing waste products and promoting cellular rejuvenation and vitality. Autophagy plays a crucial role in preventing age-related diseases, boosting the immune system, and protecting against neurodegenerative disorders. Intermittent fasting enhances autophagy, promoting cellular repair, overall health, and longevity. Brain power, enhanced focus, and clarity. Intermittent fasting not only benefits our physical health, but also sharpens our minds. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Fasting increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. This enhanced BDNF production improves brain plasticity, enhances learning, and protects against cognitive impairment. Inflammation, taming the fire within. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer, contributing to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease and cancer to autoimmune disorders and Alzheimer's disease. Intermittent fasting has potent anti-inflammatory effects on the body. Fasting reduces the production of inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein, or CRP, and interleukin-6, or IL-6. This reduction in inflammation protects against chronic diseases and promotes overall well-being and health. Getting started. Tips for beginners. Starting intermittent fasting can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by gradually increasing your fasting window. You can start with a 12-hour fast and gradually work your way up to 14 or 16 hours. Stay hydrated throughout your fasting period by drinking plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee. When breaking your fast, focus on consuming nutrient-dense whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Common pitfalls. Navigating the fasting journey. Embarking on a fasting journey can be both exciting and challenging. It's a path that requires careful planning and mindfulness to avoid common pitfalls. One common mistake beginners make is not listening to their bodies. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of fasting and push yourself too hard. However, ignoring your body's signals can lead to negative consequences. If you experience extreme hunger or discomfort during your fasting period, it's essential to break your fast and consult with your healthcare provider. Your health should always come first, and fasting should be a tool to enhance your well-being, not detract from it. Another mistake is overeating during your eating window. It's tempting to indulge in large meals after a fasting period, but this can counteract the benefits of fasting and lead to feelings of guilt and discomfort. While you don't need to restrict calories drastically, it's crucial to maintain a healthy calorie intake to reap the benefits of intermittent fasting. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide the energy and nutrients your body needs. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, but rather about giving your body a break from constant digestion. Fasting is a practice that should be approached with care and respect for your body's needs. Take time to understand what works best for you, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as you learn more about your body's responses. Keep a journal of your fasting journey to track your progress and any challenges you face. This can help you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and remember that fasting is a personal journey that looks different for everyone. Consider joining a fasting support group or sharing your experience with friends and family. Having a support system can provide motivation and accountability, making your fasting journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Ultimately, the goal of fasting is to improve your overall health and well-being. By navigating the common pitfalls and listening to your body, you can make fasting a positive and rewarding experience.